This is a nice cut and color. It's very pretty.
Oh yeah.
I like that a lot. I'm excited to work with these colors.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And wait, what is it?
Well, I always try to encourage you guys, if you can't get it to make, then
Make it make.
make it make. And today we are going to be making some fun Christmas decorations. As you saw earlier in the video, we were pulling out some polymer clay that we just pop in the oven and it hardens up and it makes a beautiful Christmas tree ornament. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do 3 of them. So be creative as you want. You do not have to make them like mine, but I hope you enjoy it. It just makes a great ornament and we love them. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to start doing is unwrap all of your polymer clay. The first ornament we're going to be making is the candy cane lollipop. You want to start off by taking some of the red polymer clay. I really don't use a lot for this and I eyeball it, so I'm sorry if I don't have exact measurements. And just take a piece and start rolling it out with the warmth of your hands, and then you are going to do the exact same thing with the color white. And the shape you are going for is rolling it out like a snake or worm. Then you are going to take both those pieces side by side and start to make a swirl. And as you are swirling them, you are going to be rolling it out. Once you are done rolling it out, pinch off the sides, making nice clean ends, and start to roll it into a circle, wrapping it around until it looks right to you. That's kind of what I do here, until I think it looks like a nice, perfect lollipop shape, a nice circle, and then I start working on the stem. The stem part for this ornament is really, really easy. You basically just take the polymer clay, roll it up like a snake, and measure it to the length that you like. And now pressing both pieces together, making sure it's nice and secure. And we are all but done with this Christmas ornament. The only thing left we have to do is place a eye screw on the very top of the ornament, because that's where you're going to, put your hanger on it to hang on a tree. So just take one of these guys, place it on the top, and we are ready for baking. The next ornament we're going to make is what I like to call the Whoville tree by Dr. Seuss's Grinch. Take your polymer clay and start making the shape of a Santa hat. Keep rolling the end out until you get some length. This is the part of the tree that we will curl. Now comes the fun part. We can decorate our tree. Now, there is literally no rhyme or reason to this tree and how you do it, because this is a Whoville tree, and down in Whoville, they are very silly and they have all kinds of thingamabobbers and stuff all over their trees and in their houses. So definitely be creative and feel free on how you want to decorate this. So I am just taking the polymer clay, making little balls, traditional balls, and putting them on the tree, and also mixing colors, putting them on. I'm just trying to have as much fun with this as possible, and I think it turned out really well. And now don't forget to add your eye screw and then place it on the baking tray. For our last ornament, we will be making a cute picture frame. Start off by picking out the color of your choice and rolling it into a ball. Next, start rolling your clay out. Next, just take a couple of cookie cutters or whatever you have around the house to make a donut shape. And now you have the start of your picture frame. The next thing I like to do is make some sort of slab where I would be able to write on it. So that's what the cloud is for. And then I just start letting my creative juices flow by decorating however I want. Here I'm adding a candy cane. I will be adding a Christmas tree as well, but you can do things like snowmen, penguins, just have fun with it, and it just makes a really cute frame. And now it's time for the baking. Preheat oven for 275 degrees and bake for 15 minutes. Now that it's cooked and cooled down, I'm going to start writing Merry Christmas on my little cloud slab, putting on a hook and then placing my ornaments on the tree.